Hi, my name's Kaytee, integrative and clinical nutritionist and founder of the Boyd Clinic here in Auckland, New Zealand. I'm really excited about the Know Your Options Conference number 3 in Sydney on the 13th and 14th of October. I'll be touching on the diet and nutrients' influence on immunotherapy and why it's truly the base from where all other therapies really flourish. I think cancer and cancer treatment can affect taste, smell, appetite, and the ability just to eat enough food to maintain or absorb the nutrients from our food, apart from even the genetics and detox alterations. So I think eating the right amount of protein and carbs and calories is important for healing, having enough energy, fighting infection, and ensuring the immune system is rock solid. I'll be covering the practical aspects of the how-tos with your patients, in particular the immune system boosting diets and lifestyle hacks. I've been doing the fasting and fasting mimicking on diets for a few years now, so I'm really looking forward to covering the practical programs and examples, and I'll make sure that you all have a copy of a few of the examples that I use in clinic to take home for your patients. I'm also really looking forward to an opportunity afterwards to begin a conversation on quality control, best practice protocols, what's worked, what hasn't, feedback around administration of our ideals, and ideas are based on certain personality and health types for the best outcomes for our patients. If we can understand their why, why do I want to get well, we can understand what drives them to want to get well, and that's a really powerful tool in their wellness journey and ours. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you all in a couple of months' time, and have a lovely day.